This is Abdullah Kashmula, class CIST20, Object-Oriented Programming, and this is class 5 assignment, which is creating the wheels. I created a new package that's holding 5 different wheels and also has the reflector. Now this package has no operations other than creating my wheels. And in each class there is a wheel from blackboard to reflector, which is the normal, and from reflector to blackboard, which is the reverse, but I named it like that so that I know the direction that I'm going to. It makes it easier. Now each one is a dictionary. Is going to create a dictionary and put the values in it and returns a dictionary in each method. And I made it public so that can be accessed and static because it's not changing, and that helped me access it because I tried accessing it from a different, when I import it to a different place, it says cannot import a non-static. And for the reflector, I also have the same thing, and I also have reflector and reverse. The reflector is used for encrypting, and the reverse can be used for decrypting. I also created a new package, which is the Enigma, or the box that I'm putting all the parts together in it. And this is the main class where I'm just calling for test. So what it does, it runs the scrambler, then it runs the decryptor just to test it. As for the selecting the wheel, it's 3 different statements, and it put them in dictionary. Each one is a switch statement, and to see the wheel number 1 or 2 or 3, which one is going to put in position 1, position 2, position 3, so it's going to put the wheel and its reverse. As for the reflector, depends on the encrypting, decrypting. I did not make a selection for that. I just included it to run both for now. For the input, it's still a user input, so that for faster testing, I can easily change it into read a file, but I will do that towards the end. As for the operations, I have the scramble, and which is encrypting and decrypting. For the scramble, it's gonna bring first. It's gonna select my wheels that in position 1, 2, and 3, and also it's gonna get the blackboard dictionary, or the scrambling the keys for blackboard, and the reflector, not the reverse. And what it does is takes the character, go to the blackboard forward, then wheel forward, which means towards the reflector, then goes through wheel 1, wheel 2, wheel 3, their reflector, and then goes back all the way to the blackboard, and it gives me the output. As for the decrypt, the only difference is it's going to go the same path, except it's going to go for the reverse reflector, which is over here. Instead of the reflector, it's going to be the reverse reflector. Now to test it, now it should give me also, let's say wheel number 2, then 4, then 3. Now this is the scrambled, makes no sense. If we copy it and we encrypt it, or decrypt it, I did not change any of the lettering, I guess. Wheel 2 and 4 and 3, it returns the same input.